starting with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. So, starting with the question that how would you solve a square root of a negative number? For example, on the screen you can see the square root of -1. Now, what would be your answer? So, here starts the concept of complex numbers. Complex numbers are helpful in finding the square root of negative numbers. The concept of complex numbers was first referred to in the 1st century by a Greek mathematician, Hero of Alexandria, when he tried to find the square root of a negative number. But he merely changed the negative into positivity and simply took the numeric root value. Further, the real identity of a complex number was defined in the 16th century by Italian mathematician Girolamo Cardano in the process of finding the negative root of cubic and quadratic polynomial expressions. Complex numbers have applications in many scientific research, signal processing, electromagnetism, fluid dynamics, quantum mechanics, and vibration analysis. Complex numbers are the numbers that are expressed in the form of a plus iota b, where a and b are real numbers and iota is an imaginary number called iota. Means I is an imaginary number that is called as iota. The value of iota is under root of -1. For example, if I say 2 plus 3 iota is a complex number where 2 is a real number and 3 iota is an imaginary number. So the conclusion is complex numbers are simply combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers and called as complex numbers. Here you can see in the figure where a is a real part, b is an imaginary part and I is equals to square root of -1. Thank you and please subscribe my channel.